Thanks, Lacey. All right, professional volleyball right here in Hawaii on the sands of Waikiki. Dr. Karena Wu is going to be handling those athletes and making sure they're in top shape, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, go ahead.
We're running a multi-disciplinary medical tent. So we have physicians, athletic trainers, physical therapists, chiropractors, massage therapists, and acupuncturists, and we keep the athletes in place so that they can compete to win.
Yeah, and there's a lot of work that goes along. Well, let's talk about some of these torture tools that you have here in set.
So I have brought a lot of instrument-assisted soft tissue mobilization because a lot of the athletes require body work, sometimes pre-match, a lot of times post, and then obviously when there's an injury. So we use a lot of these instruments. We use these types of instruments, these metal ones, Hypervolt's a new one. It's a rapid percussive instrument that's handheld, cordless, lightweight, and all of this is about like self-massage. We use cupping, which is based on traditional Chinese medicine.
Right.
We use balls or other sticks and foam rollers that actually help with self-massage. And then kinesiology tape, KT tape is one of the sponsors, and that's the elastic therapeutic tape that helps with reducing pain, increasing muscle activation, and increasing fluid circulation.
So a lot of you have probably gone to a physical therapist or a chiropractor, so maybe you're familiar with this, but for those who aren't, when you talk about cupping, this is more about getting the circulation, blood circulation within certain spots, right?
Yes, actually all of them increase fluid circulation, increase blood flow, reduce muscle pain, stiffness, soreness, and increase range of motion. So yes, all of these you can get at your local chiropractor or physical therapist office.
Okay, you have one more.
Free up, which is exactly what the old school people use, which is using your hands. So we're always using our hands first. I've been in practice for almost 20 years. I always go to my hands first, but when you're a little bit older, you got to use some of these tools because they're also faster. Yeah, so if you're watching at home and you're thinking, oh, I got all these kinks in my neck and so forth, this is actually a really cool one, and you can actually pick it up at the store. Sometimes it's a lacrosse ball, sometimes it's a tennis ball, anything that gets in there. Sometimes it's a dog's ball if you don't have one of these, but yes, you can use anything that's a little bit firm, and this is great, especially on the back of the shoulder blade here, and you're going to rub up against the wall just like a bear scratching its back. Yeah, it's awesome. It's great.
All right, so if you want more information about the AVP Tour, the event that's coming up this weekend, where would we go?
So we're going to go to the Hilton Hawaiian Village in Waikiki. It's on Fort DeRussy Beach.
Yeah, and actually we have it at avp.com. After the show, we'll have a link to that website on hawaiinewsnow.com. Dr. Wu, thanks.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. All right, we'll be right back. Does that work?